Hello once again, this is Duncan from PWP Web Design. Hopefully you've seen our previous how-to video on how to add the Google +1 button. What I want to do just now is to show you how to add the Facebook like button. It's a very similar procedure, but there's one important step that you must remember to carry out in order to do this correctly. So if you remember, this is how we started before. We've got the website open, we've got the master page, and we've also got just a page from the website so we can check how everything lines up and how it looks in using the preview mode. So what we're going to do again is go to Google and we're going to type in Facebook button. And what we need is this. It's the Facebook developers like button. So we just click on that one. Okay, and this tells you everything that you need to do. Now, just as with the Google Plus button, the Google Like button has lots of different layouts, as you can see here. If you remember the last time, what we did is we used the box. So we changed that from standard to the box count, and that changes it to more vertical. I'm a great one for aesthetics and I like everything to look fairly similar. So if you remember, the Google Plus button has the Google Plus button itself there, and the number of likes is in this balloon above, and it doesn't have a third one. So I can actually get rid of that by taking off the send button. So now it looks fairly similar to the Google Plus button. Now the one important step in the Facebook button that you must remember to do is this. It's the URL to like. The best way to do that is go to the website that's actually being used, copy the address, Control C, and then just type that in there. Okay, so then you know that that's correct, and then as long as this is okay, you can change all the color schemes and things if you want. Change the font. Just click on Get Code, and it comes up with this. Okay. So highlight that top bit, Control C that. Okay. And back to Adobe Muse. Now you may remember that when we added the Google +1 button, we added this HTML code in this box here. So what we can do is we can right click on that, edit HTML, and then add the code underneath the code for the Google Plus button. Okay, that. Go back to this code, and this is the code that actually places the button. So Control C again. We're done with that. So back to Adobe Muse, Object, scroll down, insert HTML, Control V, did it twice, didn't we? Never mind. There you go. That's the computer slow. My finger's been a bit too fast. So there we go. So we've got the code. Click OK. That brings up the box. Just so we get it to a similar size to what it actually is. Just resize that. Wait for the computer to play catch up. Are you going to play catch up, computer, or not today? Oh, now we're going to have a think about it. I hope you're having a nice day. It's lovely and warm here in the UK. Oh no. I know every one of you who's got a Mac is probably laughing right now, aren't you? Probably laughing, saying that's why we have Macs and not PCs. So, but here we go. So that's roughly lined up. But to make sure it's lined up correctly, if we go there and preview, ideally what I'd like is the bottom of this like button to line up with that, and obviously to be centered there. So go back to the design, go back to the masters. So we need to go up a little bit and right a little bit. go back to the page, preview it. It just renders those buttons so you can see what they're like. Oh, there you go. There's a little bit of a gap, bit more of a bigger gap, so maybe 2 clicks to the right, maybe a little bit higher as well. Yeah. So there we go. So it's just tweaking this so we get it looking good. Like I said, I'm very keen on getting the aesthetics correct. There you go. That lines up. That's okay. So I'll go back to the design, save it, and I always do it. You can do it through the menu, but I always like to use the keyboard. Control S, and then we just upload that, and the job's a good one. So thank you for watching, and do keep a lookout for further how-to videos, and do please check out the website, which is www.pwpwd.co.uk, and if you've got a Gmail account, do please click on the +1 button, which hopefully will be there. Let's hope it is. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye bye.